Man, I love the internet. Only in today's day and age would it be possible to make $1.5 million in 8 months at 22 years old with a dinosaur chicken nugget. That's right, you heard it right. I'm about to read you the story of John Paul Coaster. I just saw this on Twitter literally like a few hours ago, and I was like, you know what, I gotta share this with the YouTube community because it's so cool and it's just really good value as well. Literally, this is like a course right here. So let me show you why or how this guy did 1.5 million in 8 months with this chicken nugget right here that you see. It's a chicken nugget plushie. That's all it is. So it starts out here. First of all, finding the product. This is actually what people always ask about. So here we go. Regardless of what anyone says online, I truly believe that the product plays the biggest role in whether you'll have success or not. For several weeks, I sat in my car in front of my college campus and spent hours every day looking through different hashtags on TikTok. That's really good value. In one of the hashtags, I found a video of a girl sewing a dinosaur chicken nugget pillow, which she was selling on Etsy. I thought it was cool, so I clicked onto her shop and saw that the product was selling crazy. Tons of reviews, all posted in the past week. So he knew that it was recent reviews. I went onto AliExpress, found the listing, and decided to build out a store. My stores follow a specific but simple framework. I don't overthink it, and you shouldn't either. That's a massive golden nugget right there. Just don't overthink it, keep it simple, and make sure that you do the research up front. Launching test campaigns. So he launched this with TikTok ads, which by the way, in yesterday's interview with Leo, he also mentioned that TikTok ads is his favorite way of launching dropshipping businesses. So let's see. I originally tested this product on TikTok with 1 campaign, 5 open ad groups, and 3 creatives. So 5 basically ad sets. That's how ad sets are called on TikTok. It's ad groups with no targeting in each of them, all broad, and 3 creatives in each one. That's what works on TikTok, or worked for this guy on TikTok back then. It got to 1.5K a day in 3 days before it died out like TikTok does. I tried to revive it for a full month, but had little to no success. Running on Facebook. So then what he did is he didn't give up. He went to Meta and started running it on the most powerful machine learning ad platform in the world, which is Facebook and Instagram. And let's see what happened. So then running on Facebook, I decided to test it on Facebook as one final attempt before I shut the store down for good. The setup was 1 CBO, which means campaign budget optimization. It means the budget will get spent at the campaign level, with 1 broad targeting ad set and just 1 carousel with each dinosaur that he sold. At the end of day 1, the store had a 7 ROAS. Suddenly we had life again. That's actually incredible. A lot of people don't test ads or static ads, which is a mistake. You should be testing all sorts of ads, carousels, statics, videos, all of it. Obviously, I know this because we spend millions literally right now per month on Meta ads. And one of their biggest tips to success is what they call creative diversity. Now, he just launched with 1 ad, which is obviously totally fine. It worked out really well for him. But usually, you should run with multiple different creatives and let them run for a long time. That's how you scale. Suddenly we had life again. The strategy that I was following at the time was to double the budget every day as long as you're profitable. So that's exactly what I did. Here's how the following 13 days looked. This is what I love about the internet and Meta ads. The machine learning is so good that you can literally just double your budget every day if it keeps working and get up to 20K per day. So he literally did 20K a day with this product. It's a chicken nugget plushie with Meta ads by just simply doubling the budget on this simple campaign every single day. Just 1 creative, 1 campaign, 1 ad set, broad. Throughout these 2 weeks, I was profitable every day, so I continued to double the budget. The result? 86K in revenue with 22K in profit. Everything I dreamt of since I started ecom was unfolding in front of my eyes. It was truly the best feeling in the world. The following months, eventually the double the budget strategy started to phase out a bit, so I scaled down and focused on offers and creatives. Good call. Each week I made 3 static ads and loaded them into a DCT ad set inside of the original CBO. That means dynamic creative test. So it's a simple toggle on feature that you can set up at the campaign level, actually at the ad set level, that allows you to test different headlines and body text with each different image or video or whatever. If I was profitable, I scaled up by 20%. So this was my process every day, which allowed me to grow the store throughout Q4. 1, market research to come up with headlines. Smart. Foreplay to find inspiration for static templates. Canva to design them. I use 100% image ads. I'll talk about this more in depth in future posts. Interesting. Wrapping it up, it has been a wild 8 months building this store, filled with many lows but considerably more highs. Due to its success, I was able to drop out of school and get the car that I always wanted since I began my journey 3 years ago. For all of you still grinding, keep going. I promise your time will come. If I can help in any way, let me know DMs. I'm going to link obviously this thread in the description of this video so that you can go follow this kid. Man, this is such a good story. I love it. And this is actually really noteworthy right here. The 3 years ago, I've been finding throughout all the different entrepreneurs I talk to that it usually takes like 3 years of consistent effort to see a massive breakthrough. So keep that in mind. I've been seeing that pattern happen over and over again. So yeah, I absolutely love the internet. I think this is an incredible story, and literally this is a course on how you can launch your own store. So pretty incredible. Twitter is awesome. And yeah, shout out to John Paul. Would love to connect. And ultimately, hopefully you got some more value from this thread. Hopefully I was able to spread it to even more people, and hopefully this helps a lot of people out. But that's it. Peace.